Welcome friends, today we are going to see how to prepare chicken curry. The required ingredients are tomatoes, green chilies, spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon. We have to make a paste with all the tomatoes, chilies and spices. We also require red chili powder 2 tablespoons, chicken masala 1 tablespoon, curry leaves, Ajinomoto a pinch, salt as per taste, oil 2 tablespoons, green sauce 1 tablespoon, soya sauce half tablespoon, Badshah masala a tablespoon, coriander, yogurt 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now we mix all these ingredients and put it on stove in low to medium flame. Within 15 to 20 minutes, hot and spicy chicken curry is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.